In this video, you're going to learn about the MCP routing. What is MCP, how to connect an MCP, and why is it needed in this current era of time. So if you go to the plus icon and go to the connectors, you see connectors that are already integrated and the connectors that you guys can add. If you go to the browse connectors, these are the native connectors, means these are the MCPs of that specific platform. For example, if we go ahead and pick one platform, for example, these are all the new ones. Let me go ahead and pull up an old one like Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a different platform which search, create, design and do all sort of designing. Even if we are talking about the carousels, the pictures, the templates, everything regarding the design, you think about Canva. How to connect Canva and the Claude? We use an interconnection that is also known as MCP routing. So MCP routing is the API key sending the signals with the specific numbers and digits and password intact inside of it. With your that is also linked with your account of that specific platform. Once you go ahead and connect it with that, those ratings and API keys are integrated now from here. And if you guys go here and ask, hey Claude, what kind of templates do you see at my Canva? So it will just answer like that. So if I go ahead and put this, what it will do, it go ahead and research about it, open up the Canva using the MCP routing, and does it will always. I don't have any Canva design or template upfront, so it doesn't actually go through my connector. Check it using the connector. Once I ask it to use the connector, it will go ahead and use the connector and see what sort of templates are there inside of it. And also, if you guys want to add a custom connector, you guys can always do it like that. So these are all the data. You guys can see that after being pulled out of the connector, but without mentioning the connector, it doesn't pull any sort of template. Now, if I want to add any sort of custom connectors, that kind of a connector which doesn't have a native application available on the browse connectors menu, you guys can go to the add connectors option, name it remote MCP server URL, you just paste it and then click on connect. Thus you will be able to connect it. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.